Hello. Even though this channel is less than 2 years old, growth has been pretty strong. Viewership is increasing and looking better every day, and feedback from all the different places that we go and talk to people has been pretty good. I think it's time for us to take the next step as a channel. That's right, we're going to participate in our first internet challenge. Some very nice makers over at PL Smith, which I hope I'm not mispronouncing, have a challenge they put up once a year called Made for Makers. It's 31 days of makers like me telling you different things about ourselves. There's 31 challenges covering 31 different topics. The challenge is for makers to share 31 things about themselves, one for each day. Covers everything from introductions to the kind of personal protection equipment you have, future plans, what's on your bench, and so forth. You can see the list here. So I have made 31 one-minute videos that I'm going to post to the Atomic Dairy Instagram account each day of May. They cover all the things in the PL Smith list except for one. The 31st is you going to their maker camp. Well, I'm on lockdown here and I'm not traveling anywhere, so can't go to the maker camp. So I'm going to do something different on the 31st. But otherwise, 31 views of what I do here in this shop and elsewhere, and the types of things I have planned and where I get my ideas and all those types of things. You can see the list. That's what's coming. So I've already cut the videos. They're actually already been uploaded to Instagram. They'll just start coming out every day in May. So I invite you to go check it out. Join us on Instagram and check out all of our stuff. There's a lot of other makers that are going to be doing this. Just do a search for hashtag Made for Makers and you'll see lots of really cool people who make really awesome things. I'll be doing it as well. I hope to introduce myself to some new people because there's some folks I want to work with. But it should be fun. I try to make the videos fun and entertaining. You may discover some things about me you may not have known, like that time I was trapped in an underground bunker by the Imperial Japanese Navy, or the aerial photography I used to do off of giant model rockets. All kinds of strange things that are in my past that lead us to where we are today with this shop and the odd projects that we make. All these videos will be on Instagram only. I may post them to Facebook as well. Not sure about that yet, but at least Instagram. I'm not going to put them on the main channel, at least not right away, because I didn't want to flood you with 31 videos when I'm also producing regular content. I've got a few projects that are coming out during May as well. So Instagram is where you got to go to see this. But as you know, I'm lazy. And in the spirit of that laziness, I'm going to help you out and put the first Made for Maker challenge video up right in this video. So all you got to do is watch. Here is the May 1st episode of Atomic Dairy Made for Makers. Hello, 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 hello. I'm Chuck, and I build things.
I was born right here. Actually, right there.
I build for fun. It makes me happy. And I build things that make our lives easier. Or to make our lives cooler. I've built so much stuff over the years that people that come over to the house ask for tours to see how everything works. So I started a YouTube channel primarily to show off the stuff that I've built in the past, but also to share the projects I'm building now and into the future. I'm always going to make things because I'm creative and that's what I do. But at least now it's all documented, you know, in case there's lawsuits. So that'll go up May 1st over on the Instagram channel, and then 30 other videos will follow, one per day. So I hope you join us, enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go do that because we do awesome stuff here and we want you to join us. That's all I got for you now. I'll see you next time.